What's on the front?
Bear. Mom, can what?
What color is that?
Blue.
From Carolina blue.
Let me open this. Oh. What?
Frank.
Can you open this? Oh, it's open.
What shape is that?
Heart.
What do you think is in that heart? Turn it over. Turn it over.
Yes!
What is that?
Chocolate!
Oh, can you say thank you, Aunt Jane?
Maybe we can put one with my chocolate chip.
You think so?
Yeah, Puppy?
It's chocolate?
Chocolate. What's in there?
Don't know.
I don't see anything.
Oh, that looks like caramel. Can you say happy Valentine's Day?
Happy Valentine's.
Can you blow a kiss?